Well, hello there, YouTubers. I'm at my work and I'm going to show the machines we use here now. We used to have a small machine right here. It's Electrolux Vascato, made in Volund. But now we have a Whirlpool like that, 11 kilo. And we do have this old Vascato machine too, but it is not working anymore. It's out of order, which is quite sad because it's a good machine, but well, yeah, it doesn't work at all. The smaller machine we had here before, it caught fire. Well, we have to change the machine and buy a new one. This old Miele dryer is still here. I think the machine here will spin now. Something, yeah. Cool. Yeah, so this machine takes 11 kilo and it's very good. One 2000 RPM. Yeah, right. Nice. It's very, very silent. Can you listen here? You don't hear it very much. Maybe we film the final spin later. We'll see about that later.